This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by K. Traficante. Excellent buy on this pristine 2-halves first floor condo with a beautiful lake view and ceramic tile throughout. New roofing was installed in 2025 and owner has paid in full the roof assessment. This unit boasts granite counters in kitchen and baths, spacious living area and bedrooms, stainless steel appliances, laundry room with washer and dryer in unit, large master walk-in closet, double sinks in master bath and a roomy exterior storage closet. The Club at St Lucie West is a gated community with a beautiful clubhouse equipped with a fitness center, swimming pool, tennis. Also a playground, picnic area and on-site management from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday to Friday. 2 pets allowed with max combined weight of 50 pounds. Don't miss this exceptional property price to sell. For more information, review the details below.